Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech It Simple. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download or install the Binance app on your mobile phone. Using Binance, you can trade your cryptocurrencies. So, let's get started. Make sure your device is connected to stable internet. Now, open your App Store or Play Store and in the search bar, type in Binance. As the search result, in the first option, you can see the Binance application. Click on the app and over here, click on the download arrow to download it. It might take some time to get downloaded depending upon your internet speed. As you can see, the application has been downloaded. Click on the open button to open this app and over here, choose your account type and enjoy the features that this application offers. So, that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon for the latest videos. Feel free to drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.